Hello, everyone. Today is September 16th, and we're going to take a look at our performance over the last week. We're going to start right off with the actual numbers. So the market was down just short of 0.5% right here. And let me put this cursor on. And we are up 0.91. So we had a really good week comparing to market, and that shows right here on the chart, as we've overtaken the market here in the last couple of weeks, which is always nice to see. And then over a year and a little bit longer, actually, since May 22, we are up roughly, and you can go here, we are up 24%, 24 and a quarter, and the market is up just short of 7%. So that is pretty nice. This is just in line with our projected returns, which currently stand at 26% for by the end of the year, if everything continues this way. So let's take a look how we got to this 1% when the market went down. So to do that, let's take a look at the first of all at our one-to-one trades, because we've closed a few of them. And we also put some on. So last week was Monday was the 11th. So since the 11th, we closed this one here for a little bit of profit. We closed this one, this one, this one, and this one. So we closed 5 one-to-ones, all of them for profit. One we took a little bit earlier because the put debit spread was expiring and we wanted to close it, so we took a little bit less than planned, but that's still perfectly fine. Then we also had 2 new trades. These are the white put debit spreads, one in gold, one in bonds, and those are pretty fresh, only open for a few days, and they're just working away. We'll take a look in the platform and see how they're doing. We closed a couple of strangles that we had on currencies, and I didn't like how those looked. So I'm going to take a little bit more time before I play with the currencies again. I need to study them a little bit more, but we just broke even on them. One was down a couple of bucks, the other one was up a couple of bucks, and they're out of the way. And we had 2 of the white iron condors, or synthetic strangles, you might call them. 2 of them, gold and bonds, closed for a decent profit, 144 and 224. And then we still have the silver going on, and that one was opened on the 1st of September. So it's been going on for a couple of weeks now. If we go to our Greeks, well, they were taking a little bit before the close, so they might not be exactly precise, but I did a couple of little changes on my spreadsheet and updated some of the things. And for the maximum buying power, which we can see right here, maximum total buying power, I'm just doubling the VIX. So if the VIX is 13.5, that's going to be around 27 for total buying power, and then half of that buying power is allocated to the one-to-ones on S&P or MES for now. In the future could be ES when the account is larger, and the other half is for the other trades, which would be gold, bonds, potentially some oil and things like that. There's going to be like 3 or 4, 5 underlyings that are in the other 50%. So at the moment, we're under the maximum buying power on both of those. Total buying power used is 24. Delta is at 0.14, and we have 14 one-to-ones going on. So the one-to-ones we have is we track them by week, and we open them on some kind of a schedule depending on how many we have open at the moment, was the maximum buying power available. So there are some formulas here to do that. We just want to stagger them around over the few weeks, so we always have some fresh ones and some old ones rotating. So that's what that is about. And let's take a look here. So you will see here, these are the trades that we closed recently. So that's a couple of naked puts here, naked puts here. This is the bonds. Which was this one? This one was this is the one that we took a little bit less profit on. Then we opened a new one here that was on the, actually, let me just show you here what we did as far as opening new trades. We opened one on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So we have 3 fresh trades going on one-to-ones. And right here, we have this gold put debit spread. And that one is doing nice. Actually, yesterday when the market went down, the gold went up a little bit. So that gave us a little bit of a balance to the portfolio. We have, this is just put debit spread that's expired now. And then we have a bunch of the one-to-ones right here, all under MES. The silver has been going up and down. At the moment, it's slightly up, and we're gonna let it one go. It's only been open for 15 days, so we'll see. We'll let it go. And we opened a put debit spread in bonds, and that one is down slightly, so we'll let it. But it's only open for 2 days, so we just let it go. We still have our bill, which is the T-bill at ETF. That's just bringing in slowly some dividends, basically interest on T-bills paid via dividends. Okay, so that's on that. I'm thinking if there's anything else, or that's pretty much that. Just a quick update, and that's all. So I'll see you next time. Thank you.